So here pattern matching is a text to search technique used in JavaScript for form validation, replacing text and processing user input and parsing text. Okay. So here pattern matching is a text to search technique used in JavaScript for form validation, replacing the text, processing user input and parsing the text. Okay. And regular expression can be used to perform all types of text to search and text to replace operations. Okay, regular expressions can be used to perform all types of text to search and text to replace operations. Okay, so your regular expression is a pattern of characters following a specialized syntax used for search text for matching pattern. Okay, so here we are searching the text that matches the given pattern. Okay, so your regular expression is a pattern of characters following a specialized syntax used to search text for matching pattern. That means here we are searching the text that matches the given pattern. Okay, so your pattern matching is a text search technique. Okay, so your regular expressions can be used to perform all types of text search and text replace operations. So these are the several topics in the regular expression. Okay, so first one, literal. So a literal is a any character that we use in search or matching expression. A literal is any character, okay, we use in a search or matching expression. Next, meta character. So here a meta character is one or more special characters that have a unique meaning. Okay, a meta character is a special character that have a unique meaning. Okay, and next one, target string. This describes the string that we will be searching. Okay, so here target string is string that we will search for. Okay, here target string, it describes the string that we will be searching. Next, search expression. So this describes the expression that we will be using to search our target string. Okay, your search expression is the expression that we will be using to search target string. Okay, to search target string, here the expression is used. That expression is the search expression. Okay, so this search expression is used to search the target string. Okay, next one, escape sequence. It is a way of indicating we want to use one of our meta character as literal. Okay, so here escape sequence, that means it is used to describe meta character as a literal. Escape sequence is used to describe meta character as a literal. So your literal is a any character, meta character is the special character, and target string, that means the string we will be searching. Next, such expression is the expression that is used to search the target string. Next, escape sequence, it describes the meta character as a literal. Okay, that means it takes the special character as the normal character. So these are the things in the regular expression. Okay, next we see the different meta characters and meaning. Okay, so your meta characters are the special characters that have a unique meaning. Okay, so first one here, asterisk. So here asterisk means it matches the preceding character 0 or more times. It matches the preceding character 0 or more times. So here star. Example, tree star. So what is the preceding character of star? E. Okay. So it matches the E 0 or more times. That means here TROGH. Okay. So in this there is no E. That means E 0 times here. Row of 0. Okay, so the occurrences of E is 0 in row. Okay, next tree. After TR, the occurrence of E is 1. Okay, next after TR, the occurrence of E is 2. Okay, so here TRE star. Here star means it matches the preceding character 0 or more times. So what is the preceding character of star? That is the character before star, that is E. Okay. So it matches the strings that have E 0 times after the R. Okay. So it matches the string that have E 1 time after TR. Okay. Next it matches the string E 2 times. Okay. After the R. Okay. Next it matches E. The occurrences of E are 3. TR triple E. Okay. Next TR 4 is. TR 5 is. Okay. So it matches the preceding character 0 or more times. Okay. So the occurrences of E is 0 or more. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. Okay. After TR, the occurrences of E after TR is 0. So here TR, after TR there is no E. That means 0 E. Next TREAD, thread. So here the occurrences of E after TR is 1. Next the occurrences of E after TR is 2. Okay, the preceding character, that is here preceding character means before. Okay, so the character before star. Next plus, here it matches the preceding character one or more times. Okay, it matches the preceding character one or more times. Okay, so here TRE plus, that means the preceding character is E. Okay, so the occurrences of E is one or more. So here star means 0 or more. So here plus means 1 or more. That means after TR there is 1E or 2E or 3Es. Okay, so here it does not matches the TROGH. That means here it contains 0E after TR. Okay, so it does not match. Why? Because here plus TRE plus means it matches TREE, TRE. Okay, so but not TROGH. That means here it matches the preceding character only one or more times. That is here preceding character is the character before this place, that is E. Okay, so there are only one E or more E's. Okay, it does not match the 0 E after TR. Okay, so it does not match the string TROGH. Next, question mark. It matches the preceding character 0 or 1 time only. It matches the preceding character 0 or 1 time only. So here the question mark is here. So the preceding character before question mark is U. Okay. So it matches the string with 0 U's. Okay. So here COLOR. Okay. So here after O there is no U. That means 0 U. Next after O there is 1 U. Okay. So it matches both color and discolor. Okay. So and it does not match COLOWR. That means COLOUUR. It does not match the COLOUUR. Okay. Because here question mark means preceding character happens only 0 or 1 time. Okay. That means the occurrences of U in the given string is 0 or 1. Next, dot, that is period. So it matches any character here. It matches any character in this position. Okay, it matches any character in this position. So suppose here 3 dot, that means here we take any character in this position. Okay, we match any character in this position, dot position, 3K. Okay, or SRIT, SRIA, SRIE, okay, SRIM. Okay, anyone. So we take any character in this dot position. Okay, so 3 dot means it matches 3K. Okay, to CM, CN. Okay, next one dash. So here dash means here the dash inside the square bracket is used to define the range. Okay, the dash inside the square bracket is used to define the range. So here 0 to 9 means it check for 0 to 9. Okay, it takes the range from 0 to 9. Okay, next circumflex. So here, if the circumflex is inside the square bracket, that means here circumflex symbol is inside the square brackets. Okay, that means it is used to negate the expression. That means here it matches the anything except uppercase letter F or lowercase letter f. Okay, so it matches anything except this one. It negates the capital F and small f. Okay, if it is outside the square bracket, so here circumflex is outside the square bracket. Okay, so here it will find here outside the square bracket circumflex. Okay, next emoji, so it will find here Mozilla Firefox. Okay, that means here starting here emoji, here starting is emoji. Okay, so here it matches. Next dollar, so the dollar means look only at the end of the target string. Here fox dollar means here fox is at the end of the given string. So here fox dollar. So here the given string is the silver fox. Okay. So here fox is at the end of the given string. So it matches. Okay. Next parenthesis. So here parenthesis uses group parts of our such expression. Okay, group parts of our such expression. So here given string is Pandora. Okay, so here fond of ORA, that means this one matches the Pandora. So pond of 123, pond 123. Okay, so next one pond of OAR, but it does not match the Pandora. Okay, your parenthesis means it used group parts of our such expression. That means here ORA is in Pandora or not. So here 123 is in pond 123 or not. Okay, here we are searching the string pond of next pond after 123. So pond 123 matches. Next pond after OAR. So but it does not match the Pandora. Okay, so here parenthesis means it used group parts of our search expression. That means here we search for the ORA after D. Next we search for the 123 after D. Next we search for the OAR. Here this one is OAR is a group. We search for the OAR after D. But here after D there is ORA. Okay, so that's why it does not match. Next square brackets. So here square bracket means match anything square brackets for one position once and only once. Okay, so here square brackets means at least one of which must be much. So here at least one of in the square bracket. So here pond of ORA matches panda. Why? Because it matches one of ORA, that is A, panda. Okay, next pond of ORA matches pondo, that is here. It matches one of the string, at least one of the character in this string ORA. Okay, at least one of the string or character in this part. Okay, so pond of ORA, pondo, that means it matches O in ORA. Okay, here pond of ORA not equal to Pandora in case of square bracket. Why? Because here it takes only one letter out of this group in square brackets. Okay, it takes only one letter, at least one and not more than one. Okay, at least one but not more than one. That means only one character we are matching. Okay, so panda of ORA, that is equal to panda, that is out of ORA we take A. Okay, so it matches panda. Next Pandora, so out of ORA we take O, pando. Okay, next Pandora, so here pond of square brackets ORA not equal to Pandora. Why? Because here we did not take the not more than one, only we take one letter out of this group. Okay, remember one thing, in square bracket only we take one character out of the group. Okay, next one, alternation. So here symbol, this one, alternation, here it is means find the left hand or right hand values, find the left hand or right hand values. So here the left one of this pipe symbol is A. Okay, so it will find left one, that is gray. Okay, GRAY, or right hand, that is E, that is it will also find GREY. Okay, so here alternation, either left hand or right hand, that is left character to the this symbol pipe or right character to the symbol pipe. Okay, that is if you take left character GRAY, if you take right character GREY. Okay, so GRA pipe symbol E Y, this will find gray, or this one GREY. Okay, next, curly braces N. So it matches the preceding character N times exactly. It matches the preceding character N times exactly. Okay, so here 2 times 0 to 9, 2 times. Okay, hyphen 0 to 9 10 times. Okay, that means here 0 to 9 is square brackets, that means we are taking only one digit out of 0 to 9. Okay, we are taking only one digit out of 0 to 9. Okay, so here square brackets 0 to 9 means we are taking only one digit out of 0 to 9. Okay, suppose first one I take 9. Next, here in the curly braces there is a value 2, that means here we are taking the two values out of 0 to 9. Okay, 9 1. Next, hyphen, next in curly braces 10, that means here we take the 10 times. Okay, that means we take the values from 0 to 9 10 times, that means first one 0 to 9 we take 9, next 0 to 9 we take 8, 0 to 9 we take 4. Okay, so total 10 times. Okay, so first one 2 times, that means 2 digits. Okay, from the range 0 to 9. Next, 10 digits from the range 0 to 9. Okay, so here square brackets 0 to 9 means we are taking only one digit out of 0 to 9. Okay, so that is repeated 2 times. So 0 to 9 9, next 0 to 9 1, hyphen 0 to 9 9, so 0 to 9 8, so that is repeated as a 10 times. Okay, next one, curly braces n comma n. So here matching the preceding character at least n times but not more than m times. So here matching preceding character at least n times but not more than m times. Okay, so here BA 2 comma 3, BA will find, so here 2 comma 3 preceding character is A. Okay, so the character before 2 comma 3, that is A. Okay, so it matches preceding character is A. So A is 2 times. Okay, at least 2 times but not more than 3 times. Okay, that means here we take A 2 times or 3 times. So here A, first one B, first letter is B, next A is 2 times, so B double A B. Okay, it matches B double A B. And next 3 times, A is repeated 3 times, B triple A B. Okay, so it matches 2 times A between B and B. Okay, A of 2 comma 3 means, so here 2 comma 3 the preceding character is A. Okay, so A is repeated 2 times and A is repeated 3 times. Okay, but not more than 3. Okay, here at least 2 but not more than 3 means here BAB is also not matched, that means A is only one time. Okay, but we have at least 2 A's. Okay, and it does not match the 5 A's 4 A's. Okay, B 5 A's B, B 4 A's B, B 6 A's B. Okay, so these are the meta characters. Now we see the output for each one. Now we see the output character for each one. Okay. Let us see the output for all these ones. Okay. See, let us see the first one. Okay, that is asterisk meta character. Okay, so once again I repeat that. So your regular expression is used for the pattern matching. Okay, regular expression in JavaScript is used for the pattern matching. See here, first one is in the body section we write regular expression paragraph. See here, regular expression. Okay, next I add the one button, search button. So here search. Okay, next there is one paragraph with id equal to demo. Okay, next we write the script. Okay, so in the script there is a string where str equal to throw thread tree. Okay, so in the script there is a string where str equal to throw thread tree. Okay, so next one I write the function equal to function space my function. That means here when you click on search button, so here button space on click equal to my function. When you click on search button, so it performs my function. Okay, so here where space pat1 equal to, so here pattern is the tree star. Okay, tree star, TRE star. Okay, the meta character is the star. Okay, so and here G means it takes the all the matches. Okay, so here G, that means it perform global match. Okay, find all the matches. Okay, so here G means it find all the matches. So here tree star. Okay, so pattern is tree star. Next, where result equal to str dot match of pat1. That means here we match the string with pattern, that is pat1. Okay, so here str, that is the string. So here we match the string with this pat1, that is this pattern. Okay, str dot match of pat1, we match the given string with pattern. Okay, next document dot get element by id of demo dot inner html. That means here we display the output in the paragraph having id demo. We display the output in the paragraph having id demo. That means here document dot get element by id of demo dot inner html equal to result. That means here we display the result in the element having demo, having id demo. Okay, so this result will be displayed in the this paragraph. Okay, so let us see the output. So here tree star, TRE star, that means it matches the preceding character 0 or more times. That means here what is the preceding character before star? E. That means 0E, 1E, 2E's. Okay, so the occurrences of E after TR is 0, 1, 2. Okay, so here let us see the output. So if you click on search button, so here TR, TRE, TREE. Okay, so here TR, TRE, TREE. Okay, that means here matches the strings are TR, that is 0E, next 1E, TRE, next 2E's. Okay, so this one is the output. Next we see the place. Next, see the place. Same one. So here place, it matches the preceding character one or more times. It matches the preceding character one or more times. Okay. So here TRE plus means the preceding character is E. Okay. So one E or more E's. Okay. So here plus means it matches the preceding character one or more times. That means preceding character is E. That means here it matches the string 1E or more E's. So here TRE 1E, TREE 2 E's. Let us see the output. So it returns TRE, TREE. See here TRE, TREE. Okay. So that is the difference between star and plus. Star means occurrences 0 or more. So plus means occurrences 1 or more. Okay. So here plus means 1E, that means there is 1E after TR, next there is 2 E's after TR, there is 3 E's after 3R and so on. Okay. If it is star. Okay. So it matches 0E, 1E, 2 E's and 3 E's and so on. So here 0E TR, 1E TRE and 2 is TREE. Okay. So let us see here TR, TRE, TREE. Okay. Next one. Question mark. It matches 0 or one time only. Matches 0 or one time only. Okay. So let us see the I given as color. So already we discussed in the presentation, that is color. Let us see the output. So here pattern is COLOU question mark R. Okay. So that is there is 0E and only 1U. Okay. 0U and only 1U. The occurrences of U are 0 or 1. Let us see color, color, color. See here color. So the output is color. See first one COLOR, that is 0U after O. Next COLOUR, that is 1U after O. Okay. Next there is also 2 U's after O. Okay. But it does not match the this one COLOUR. Okay. So next one period. TRE dot. So TRE dot means it takes any character in this position. Okay. So it takes any character in this position. So what is the output? One of you respond in chat box. What is the output for this one? TRED, TREK. What is the output for this program? One of you respond in chat box. TRE dot. That means it takes any character in this dot position. What is the output for this one? One of you respond in chat box. This program. TRE dot. TRE dot. So that means it takes any character in this position. That means str dot match of pattern. Okay. So here we search the string with TRE dot. We take the any character in this position. Okay. What is the match? So here the output is, let us see the output. See here, TRED. Okay. So the match is only, so TRE after it takes any character D. Okay. So TRE, the pattern is TRE dot. Okay. So in this place of the dot we take D. Okay. TRED. This is the match. Okay. Next one, dash. TRED 9. See, TRED 9. So 0 to 9 means, so it is easy to define the range. That means TRED, it checks whether there is a number from 0 to 9 in the given string. Okay. So the pattern is TRED. So 0 to 9, number is there or not. Okay. So let us see the output. So here TRED 9. Okay. So the pattern is TRED. So we take one digit from 0 to 9. So suppose here in the string there is 9. So matches. Okay. So the match is TRED 9. Okay. Next one. Circumflex. So that means here circumflex is inside the bracket. Circumflex is inside the bracket. That is used to negate the expression. Circumflex is inside the bracket. That is used to negate the expression. Let us see the output. So here circumflex is inside the square bracket. That is used to negate the expression. Okay. So let us see the output for this one. See here. It negates the expression TRED 9. Okay. So it negates the expression TRED 9. Okay. So it negates the TRED 9. That means it takes all the characters remaining these characters. Okay. It takes all the characters remaining except these characters. Okay. It takes all the characters remaining except these characters. TRED 9. So TR, it is also negate this TR. Okay. The remaining characters are A, K. Okay. So here output is A comma K. Okay. So here circumflex is inside the square bracket means, so it takes all the characters except this one. These cats TRED 9 and TR. Okay. So it negates all these characters and matches the A comma K. Okay. If you take outside the characters, let us see the output. If you take outside the square bracket, if you take circumflex outside the square bracket, let us see the output. See here T. That means here outside the square bracket means it takes only beginning of the target string. Okay. So beginning of the target string. Okay. So here T. Okay. Next one. Next one is the dollar. Dollar is the ending of the starting string. Ending of the target string. Dollar. TREK dollar. So here it checks whether TREK is ending of the string or not. Okay. And prints TREK, that is ending string. End of the string. Let us see the output. See here, TRAK. Okay, that means it matches end of the target string. So here, it checks whether TRAK is at the end of the string or not. Okay, and returns that one. Next one, alternation. Next one is the alternation. So here GRAY alternation. That means it finds left hand or A or E. Okay, GRA or GREY. Okay, GRAY or GREY. Let us see GRAY, GR. So GREY. Okay, so whether it matches or not, GRAY. Okay, matches. Okay, so it prints GRAY. That means it matches, prints the match. See here, GRAY. Okay, if you give as GREY, so GRAY and GREY is also matched. Okay, so it print matches GRAY and GREY. See here, GRAY and GREY. Okay, it matches both. Okay, that is GRAY. That is left hand is A. Okay, next right hand GREY. Okay, so it matches GRAY as well as GREY. Okay. Next one, square bracket and parenthesis. Square bracket and parenthesis. See, clearly see the difference. Here in the PPT we discuss example Pandora. Okay, so here fund of ORA. Okay, so fund of ORA means it takes only one character out of this group. Okay, it takes only one character out of this group. So here fund of square brackets of ORA matches Pandora or not. Okay, so answer, give your answer. It is matched or not. Pond of square bracket of ORA is equal to Pandora or not. Matched or not. One of you respond in chat box. Pond of ORA. If you give the answer, let us go to next topic also. Please respond in chat box with your answers. Here, pond of square bracket of ORA is matched with Pandora or not. One of you respond in chat box. Are you understand today topic or not? Okay, so let us give the answer. So here pond of ORA is matched with Pandora or not. So here pond of square brackets ORA means we take only one character out of these three characters. Okay, we take only one character out of this group. That means pond of square brackets of ORA does not match with the Pandora. Why? Because there is only one character out of these three characters after D. Okay, so let us see the output here. Here. Okay, it takes only one character, that is O. Okay, or okay, it takes only one character after D. Okay, if you take parenthesis, so it takes all the three characters after D. Okay, see here Pandora. Okay, so that is the difference between square brackets and parenthesis. Okay, if you as square brackets, So it takes only one character after D out of RA. See here, Pando. Okay. So next, if you take parenthesis, so it takes all the three characters. Here, Pandora. Okay. So let us check the, so pond of ORA matched with pond of R. So here, remember, here I give the parenthesis. That means here it takes the group of ORA. Okay. So let us check the this one. See here, there is no match. Okay. That means here Pondo is not matched with the pond of ORA. Okay. Parenthesis of ORA. That means here it takes ORA as a one part, one group. Okay, so your pond of ORA does not match with the Pondo. If you take pond of square brackets of ORA, pond of square brackets of ORA, see here, it matches. Okay, it matches with Pondo. Okay, if you take normal parenthesis, so pond of ORA means there is a group ORA after D. Okay, but there is no group ORA after D. So that's why it does not match and it does not return anything. Okay, so here, if you click on search, there is no match. Okay, so that is the difference between parenthesis and square brackets. Okay, next one, curly braces. Zero to 9, we take two values. Okay, 0 to 9, we take 10 times. So give one number, whether it matches or not. See here, 91-98481430. That means this pattern is matched with the given string. Okay, and outputs the match. Okay, and display the match. Okay, so if you give on 1, so 0 to 9, we take only one time. That is, we take only one out of this 0 to 9 one time. Okay, we take one digit out of 0 to 9 one time. So see here, it takes only one out of this one. Okay, next one. BA 2, 3 hyphen B. So that means the preceding character is here A. Okay, that means it matches the preceding character at least n times. That means there is two A's after B. Okay, so there are two A's after B and there are three A's after B. Okay, so B, 2 A's B, B, 3 A's B. Okay, but it does not match the B, A, B. Okay, it does not match the B, 4 A's B. It does not match the B, 5 A's B. Let us see the output. So BAB, BAB, BAAB, B4ASB. Okay. So let us see the output. See here, it matches are only BAAB, BAAB. Okay, so it does not match the BAB and B4ASB. Okay. So this is about the regular expressions.